Okay, so many people have told me to analyze BNB, and yesterday we saw how BTC fall. So obviously it has impact on whole crypto market. Let's not ignore this. BTC affects the whole crypto market. Now let's talk about BNB. Right now we are seeing that BNB is also trying bounce back same like BTC after hitting a low of 625 few hours back. This rebound is quite interesting, especially since it's happening within a 1 hour time frame. So, breakdown of a previous low. If we look at the 1 hour time frame and 1 day chart, we notice that BNB has already broken its previous low of 645. This breakdown of a structure is a crucial indicator. Historically, when we see such a breakdown, there is a high likelihood of further downward movement, possibly after a few days. Short-term trading strategy. Given the current momentum, we can consider a short-term buy trade as BNB is temporarily moving upward. Our target can be set at 650, 655 and the last one 660. However, we should not expect to go it much higher than this as 665 and 670 are major high resistance zones. And it will break only if BTC is able to break 104K or 105K. To enhance our analysis, let's consider a 20x zone on the same chart. This closer look reveals more intricate details. We can now go to Fibonacci retracements. We can see that the current bounce is happening around the 0.382 Fibonacci level. We can't expect much high level than this. This could be a temporary resistance level. Trend lines. The breakdown of the previous low has created a new trend line. If BNB continues to move upward, it might face resistance around the trend line. The volume on the one-way chart is relatively low, indicating a lack of conviction in the current upward movement. By considering these additional factors, we can refine our short-term trading strategy and make more informed decisions. And you don't need to live the life in order to trade, as I have pinned the coin as well.